So today's warm-up's a little bit different from what you've been doing. You were doing expressions and then you did equations, but this is an inequality. So that means it would have to have a less than, greater than, less than, or equal to, greater than, and equal to. So these two are the ones that are new to you. So we're going to make sure that we understand that. Now, Debbie has at most $60 to spend on her clothes. So here, at most, is your keywords. No, so that means that she could only have $60 or less. So it's going to be the operation is not an operation, it's actually less than or equal to. And what we're going to do is we're going to make sure that it's less than or equal to $60. So my inequality would be X is less than or equal to $60. So make sure you understand this because this is something that we're going to be doing. Right now, there is no adding or subtracting anything. It's just showing an inequality, but I wanted you to make sure you understood this at most, or the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So we're going to be practicing that from now on.